What is Industry 4.0 and what does it mean for you? Technology is driving change across all areas of society. Not only do we increasingly use it and even rely on it in our personal lives, we also find our workplace digitally evolving with more and more processes now being undertaken using technology. This change is known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution or Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 will be many tasks that will once performed by us now being automated with the collection and analysis of real-time data, artificial intelligence, and the ability for all components of a production live to talk to each other. Production can be really efficient and personalized according to customer need. But what does this mean for us? With increased automation, our time will be freed up for concentrating on more complex tasks. We will need a workforce who are capable of building, programming, and developing those technologies, but also making sure we are applying them to our lives in an ethical way. There are core skills that we can offer that technology cannot replace. The human touch is going to be incredibly important and ensuring effective communication, problem solving, and supporting charge management in this digital environment. There will also be a greater need for joint working, effective discipline, and creating new innovation. The future job market will be looking for graduates with the open mind to explore. One example, we have entered Industry 4.0. Gojek and Grab are everywhere. The interest in both of them is increasing so that it can replace taxis and the others. An example of Industrial Revolution 4.0, many more globally, there are still many aspects that innovate because of the Industrial Revolution 4.0. And this is Revolution Industry 4.0. For example, the first virtual reality, Internet of Things, cloud computing, big data, robot, cybersecurity, 3D printing, and many more. The fourth revolution occurred because of digital technology that developed in the 21st century and can give birth to new business models, and therefore the innovation and rapid development of the technology sector is the main factor behind the Industrial Revolution 4.0. And this is background Revolution Industry 4.0. According to Europe Parliament, revolution has happened 4.0, which first happened in England in the late 8th century because the 18th century because the discovery of a steam engine that had relied on human power was eventually replaced by an engine. and the second, which occurred at the end of the 19th century when the steam engine began to be abandoned, and it was in this century that mass production began. And third, Industry 3.0 in computer technology for manufacturing automation began to rally, which is now Industry 4.0, is characterized by a cyber physical system. And the first, development of sensor technology, interconnection, and data analysis is growing. This development, which then fostered Industry 4.0, is starting to touch the virtual world, connecting human, machine, and data. This form of connectivity is called Internet of Things. And World Economic Forum believes that evolution Industry 4.0 The World Economic Forum believes that it's called Internet of Things. World Economic Forum believes that Internet of Things is an element that plays a major role in Industry 4.0. Growing rapidly statically, this year many objects will be connected to the Internet. And there will be a lot of work to do at home, like online seller, designer, article writers, and so on. Besides that, it can be used for shopping, traveling, knowledge, transportation, and news, so that it can be reached by many people just by using the Internet. Loss of positive impact from the Industrial Revolution 4.0, and still must always be careful and read wisely. Many companies in the world are starting to replace human labor with computer systems. An example is a transaction of a bank. And since there were ATM machines and mobile or internet banking, the banks began to reduce the number of employees. The use of e-tolls, the use of OFO and others rapid technology development will eventually kill a number of jobs. Are you ready? Lots of positive impact from the Industrial Revolution 4.0, and still must always be careful and break easily. And many companies in the world are starting to replace human labor with computer system. An example is a transaction at a bank. In the science, there were ATM machine and a mobile or internet banking, the banks began to reduce the number of employees, the use of e-tolls, the use of OVO and others. Rapid technological development will eventually kill a number of jobs. ATM machine and mobile internet banking, the banks began to reduce the number of employees, the use of e-tolls, the use and others. Rapid technology development will eventually kill a number of jobs. Are you ready?